Alright guys, so we are at Marshall's. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, can you? No, I don't think so. But today, I got off from school early and I was like, why don't I go to Marshall's and do one of those videos where I go see what I find. And I actually want to find, I don't want to buy it, but I want to find some like high-end things. I want to see if they have it. But I do want to buy some Profusion makeup. I'm going to do a video of Profusion. It's probably going to go up before or after this one, I'm not even sure. But sorry that I look so like weird, but Saturday classes for 3.5 hours, nobody got time to put makeup on. So I'm gonna go in Marshall's right now and I'm gonna see what I find, and then I'll take you guys with me. So let's go. All right guys, so they have some Anastasia. These are the contour cream kits. Oh, this one's nice. They have this one. And they have this Kindness Curves Perfume. And they have like a bunch of these lip palettes by Anastasia. They have like a bunch. Contour cream kit. Wow, they also have the Aurora highlighting palette for and this one's $24.99. More lip palettes. Also have these Sweet Treats collection palettes. What does this have? Okay, this one looks good. They have so much Profusion makeup down here. They have so many of the Aurora palettes for $25. Look at this. These are all Aurora palettes. Down there. They have some Profusion makeup here. They have this one. Ugh. This is the how it looks like. It looks pretty nice actually. And this is the Glitter and Glow palette by Profusion. And this is $5.99. I think I'm gonna buy this one. I think I'm gonna buy this one actually. This looks really nice. Let's see that back here. This is by Icon by Absolute. And this is $6.99. So this one is the one that I just unboxed, and it looks just like an Urban Decay eyeshadow palette. Look at this. It looks really, really nice. And so it looks really nice. They also have this Anastasia cream color, and this one is in Sable. Yeah, this one's in Sable, and it's just like one of the cream colors. Anastasia. They have more Profusion Pro Contour palettes, which I want actually. Oh, look at this. This one's really nice by Profusion. And this is only $5.99, so I'm definitely going to keep this one. But I'm going to take one that's not opened. So I'm going to keep this one. Yeah, I'm going to keep this one. And they also have more Profusion makeup back here. They have this palette. They have this. This is a contour and complexion palette. I'm gonna open this one too. So this one is this one. Look how nice this is. They also have more things over here. And let me see. They have beauty sponges, have the small beauty sponges. They have the brush cleaner, which I need one actually. I need a brush cleaner. They have these Profusion palettes right here. This one is brows. Wow, this is nice. It brings all these things. I need one of these actually. That's how it looks like. Oh, they also have these Glam Glow. This Glam Glow mask, and these are $9.99. Wow, this is nice. What is this? Wet lip balm treatment. That's nice. So they have this Profusion one. They have these lipsticks. They have more Profusion down here. Lipsticks. Oh, they have these masks by Cream. They have this contouring kit. This contouring kit. Oh, this is nice, but it's like all broken. That's all broken. This face one. This conceal. Doesn't this look just like the Urban Decay palette? Like, the colors are so similar. And this is $6.99. Looks really nice. They also have a lot of mascaras and eyelashes. This pack is $8. Mascara. They have a lot of mascaras. Alright guys, so I'm back and I only bought one thing. That Marshall's had everything like cracked and like in pieces, so everything didn't look good. Like, I wanted to buy a lot of makeup, like Profusion makeup that they had, but it was just broken and nobody got time for that. So I bought this one. I was gonna wait until I went to Target to buy it because Target, it's always perfect. Like, nothing's ever broken at Target. But here's like so much cheaper, so I ended up buying this one, the Pro Contour by Profusion, and it just looks like this. It looks really, really nice. See that? Can you see that? There, it looks really, really nice, and I can't wait to play with it. I am gonna put it in a video and then I will show you guys how it is, but it looks really nice, and it was only $5.99, so I'm gonna use it in a video. And yeah, this is the video that I had for you guys. Let me know if you want me to go to TJ Maxx. I know Burlington has a lot of makeup, like an insane amount of makeup. I could do Marshalls and Burlington. I've seen these videos going around. This is not my idea. I'll put that below whose idea it was. If I forgot to put it, please tell me. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I kind of like this video. It was like a little different video. You guys see me like in a different place rather than my little office, my little filming office. But yeah, I love you guys so much. God bless you, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.